How to change currency on the AliExpress app. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the currency on the AliExpress. First thing you're going to have to do is open up the application, and once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account. So the currency that you see on your home screen solely depends on the location. But if you don't want to change your location, still want to change the currency, now, the first thing you're going to have to do is tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll get to the U page, so you'll find the settings or the gear icon at the top right. And right besides that, you have your location as well. You can just tap on that location or country or region and then change it. So let's say if I change it to United Kingdoms, you could also specify your state. So let's just select Kingdom, England, and then from here, select any one of the cities, and it will change your currency from here as well. As you can see, everything now is on pounds. But if you specifically want to change your currency, then you don't want to change your region, then just tap on the settings menu, tap on currency, and then you can choose from these three options: euros, pounds, or USD. You could also search for more like Singaporean dollar or something similar along those lines, and you can just select those. So let's say if I wanted to show on USD, even though my region is on England, then you just have to select USD and everything here will now show on US dollars. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.